Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. So today in this video I'm going to review the Inkey List products, which are Oat Cleansing Balm and Salicylic Acid Cleanser. I have been using these two products for more than a month. It's going to be almost 2 months. I really have been enjoying these two products for my double cleansing. So in this video, I'm also going to show you how to properly double cleanse using Oat Cleansing Balm and Salicylic Acid Cleanser. Before we jump into the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that this video can reach out to many more people and they also can get help from this video. So before I start my review on these products, I want to talk about what is double cleansing and why double cleansing is so important in your skincare routine. Basically, double cleansing is a two-step process of cleansing your face twice. The first step is to use an oil-based cleanser like cleansing balm or cleansing oil, and then the second step is to use a water-based cleanser like this salicylic acid cleanser. So why double cleansing is so important is because from my point of view, I personally think that double cleansing is the most gentle and effective way to take off any makeup, sunscreen, oils or dirt that has been on our face throughout the day, so that when we finally double cleanse our face at night time, it ensures that our face is properly cleansed and clean. The first step, which is using an oil-based cleanser like cleansing oil or cleansing balm, will help to melt down and unglue our makeup, sunscreens and oils from our face. And then after using cleansing balm, when we finally use our water-based cleanser, it will help to clean rest of the face so that our face is properly clean and you are ready to apply other skincare products. If you are not cleansing your face properly or not removing your makeup, sunscreen or oils properly, then the products that you are going to use after that will not absorb properly and your skin will not be able to get all the benefits that those products are supposed to give. So now I'm going to start with the Inkey List Oat Cleansing Balm. The main ingredients of this cleansing balm are 3% oat kernel oil and 1% colloidal oatmeal. Kernel oil is non-comedogenic, which means it will not clog your pores, and also it is a humectant, which is an excellent hydrator. And for colloidal oatmeal, it is great for cleansing the skin. Also, it has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it will help to soothe any redness or inflammation, and great for anyone who has sensitive skin. Also, this oat cleansing balm does not contain any alcohol or fragrance. It definitely has a thick consistency, which is great for dry skin. But even though I have an oily skin, I personally really like this cleansing balm because that thick cleansing balm really feels nice and moisturizing and really nourishing to the skin whenever I apply it on my skin. The balm melts down quickly into thick oil and easily break down my both face and eye makeup. I have massaged my face with cleansing balm for a while. So before I rinse it off with water, what I like to do is wet your hands with water or just do like this. So what I'm doing here is I'm emulsifying this cleansing balm. So with a little bit of water, just massage your face again until you see this milky consistency. This will make sure that you are really removing your makeup and everything. And after this, I'm going to rinse it off in my bathroom. You can see that cleansing balm has really helped to remove all my eye makeup, mascara, eyeliner and also my foundation. Also, this cleansing balm does not leave any film or it does not feel greasy after I rinse it off. Also, after I used it to remove my eye makeup, it did not leave any blurry vision, and also it emulsifies quite well, which means it is a really good cleansing balm. So I really love this oat cleansing balm. It is affordable and it really helps to remove makeup, sunscreen or oils that has been on my face throughout the day. So now I'm going to talk about salicylic acid cleanser. So the main ingredient in this cleanser is salicylic acid, of course. It has 2% salicylic acid. As you all know that salicylic acid is an oil-soluble chemical exfoliant that helps to exfoliate our skin by penetrating deeper into our pores and unclog oils, dirt and bacteria from our pores to keep our pores clean and also prevent acne. Salicylic acid also has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it helps to soothe any redness or inflammation. That makes salicylic acid an effective treatment for any inflamed acne. It has a gel consistency. I like to pour the gel into my palms and rub it to lather up, and then I use it on my face. This cleanser really lathers up well. I have oily and acne prone skin, and if I do not take care of my skin properly, then my skin will freak out and my skin will easily break out. That's why I really wanted to have a salicylic acid cleanser, but a gentle one. And this salicylic acid is really gentle, even though it has 2% salicylic acid, because it has other soothing and hydrating ingredients. It is going to be almost 2 months of using this salicylic acid cleanser, and it has never made my skin dry or caused me any irritations. It is also fragrance free, and it does not really have any smell. I personally like to use this salicylic acid at night time, and I use it 3-4 times a week depending on my skin, but it is so gentle that sometimes I use it in the morning as well. I started using this salicylic acid when I was suffering from acne breakouts, especially around my chin area, and I noticed that after using this salicylic acid, it really helped me to control my acne breakouts and also prevent future acne breakouts. I won't say that this is the only product that helped me to treat my acne breakouts, but it surely added that boost to help to treat my acne breakouts much more faster. Also, I think that if you continuously use this salicylic acid for a longer period of time, it can also help to prevent blackheads to some extent. I think this salicylic acid cleanser is so gentle that even if you are new to salicylic acid or salicylic acid cleanser, this cleanser can be a good one to try, because I think it is really beginner friendly. So that's all for the video, and I'm really hoping to try more skincare products from INKEY List. So if you like this video, then please give a big thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that you will know whenever I upload a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, where I talk about skincare a lot on a daily basis.